What's up guys, they watching another video. Today we got both the cars out. We got the GTR, we got the E92, and we got Hugo lives. He goes back in town and he's gonna whip the E92. Are you sad?
Broken lip?
You better not break my lip this time, Hugo.
Okay, you're fine, I got one.
About a year ago, Hugo drove my E36 and he broke my front lip, so. And that was a plastic one, so you better not break the carbon fiber, bro.
I got one.
You break it, I get yours. And also, if you guys don't remember, Hugo unfortunately kind of blew his engine in his E92. So he hasn't driven an E92 in so long.
I didn't blow it. It was already blown.
It was already blown. Stupid dealership. But he's about to whip this one. Don't blow this engine, Hugo. Imagine. It's gonna be sick. So yeah, guys, first things first, we gotta go get some gas for the GTR. 26 miles. I think it's a lie though. This shit drops way faster than that number. I think maybe because the E85 is not picking up the correct fuel economy. I don't know. But yeah, about to go get some gas and then wash the E92 because the E92 has not been washed in so long. And then have a little photo shoot with both the cars. I'm glad Hugo's here and he could drive the E92 because I've been wanting someone to drive that car so I could take pictures of both cars together. And also, it's always fun to see your own car drive. I always say this in my vlogs, but every time I see my own car driving, it's so insane. Like, it just looks so good driving. You guys gotta try it. Like, watch your own car drive. It's the freaking best feeling. Wash the car, have a little photo shoot, and also take some pictures of the new merch. By the way, all you guys' new merch is out. Everyone who ordered something on Black Friday, it was very delayed because there was so many orders, which I appreciate so freaking much. I tried my best to get all of them out before the holidays. Unfortunately, some of them were not out before the holidays, but I tried my best. All the orders should be out now. And yeah, I appreciate all of you guys who did order something. It means a lot to me and I'm so thankful. And you guys should all be getting your merch very, very soon. But yeah, we're about to go have a little photo shoot with all the merch because I haven't even shot pictures in it yet, which I'm glad Hugo's here again because he can shoot a cool little video and photos with the new merch. And if you guys want to cop some new merch, I'm gonna leave the link down below at shopfindingnick.com. Wow, bro, look at the E92. That color is so crazy. Like, it just stands out so much. I think everyone who drives by that car is gonna break their neck, no matter if you're a car person or not. It looks so freaking sick. Hugo's probably so hyped driving the E92. If you guys don't remember, he got his E92 a couple months ago, and when he bought his car, unfortunately, the rod bearing blew like a week of having the car. So the dealership thankfully is taking care of it. I think the majority of it. So right now they're in the process of getting a new motor, putting a new motor in the car, so he can finally drive his E92 again. But yeah, he's probably so hyped driving that car because it's like, it's literally his car, but not stick shift of course, but he's probably having so much fun. Bro, the E92 is crazy. No way it's that loud. There's no way. I say this every time, but I forget how loud that car actually is. Like, the GTR is pretty tame. That car just screams. Oh my god. Was it fun?
Your merch.
I know, he's wearing it. You like it?
Bro, I chose the right car. I swear I did.
I'm telling you, I know you can't wait till you put an exhaust on it. Woo! And we got the other homies here, look. The homies wearing my merch. That's the same E92 we saw last time on. Guys, I hate this. My headlights keep fogging up with the water. But yeah, we're about to get it all clean. We pretty much just sprayed it down with water, sprayed it down with soap, and that's it. Quick little 5-minute car wash. Man, look at all the snow up there. That's crazy. Oh my god, dude. Hugo's having so much fun. Woo! Got the homie. Later, bro. Woo! That shit's so sick. All the carbon fiber. But we just got done with a little photo shoot. We had like an hour-long photo shoot, or maybe even longer, but I shot all the pictures with the new merch. This is my absolute favorite though. With like the puff print. Look at this quality, bro. I honestly thought these would sell out, but not many people grab these from the website, which I'm surprised because this is literally my favorite one. This Beamer Club. It looks like some Supreme or something like that. So freaking sick. More like a streetwear kind of thing instead of like FindingNick merch. It just says Beamer Club right here. Super simple and like I said, super good freaking quality. Super comfy hoodie like always. And then we got a little bit of a FindingNick right here. This is my favorite hoodie. Like I said, if you guys want to grab something, shop FindingNick.com. It looks crazy, especially up here in the canyons. Like, oh my god, bro. Hey guys, I let Hugo drive this GTR. Was it fast?
Crazy, bro.
If you guys want to see him go through the canyon,
Like this.
go watch his video.
I'm driving like this.
But Hugo has it all on his point of view. So he's doing a point of view video in both my cars. And he's like reviewing them, kind of just talking about them. Seeing how his experience driving an M3 and the GTR.
Totally two different cars, bro.
They're different, huh? This one feels weird, bro. Now that I'm going into this one, I don't know. Look at Hugo. Oh my god, the GTR looks sick, dude. Bro, there's no way that's my car, bro. Oh my god. Guys, I told you guys from the start, that's like my dream car, and it still is my dream car. Like, I forget that I'm driving that car. So like, seeing it drive on the street, like if it wasn't my car and I seen that driving, I would be freaking out. And I'm the same way even though it's my car, if that makes any sense. Oh, that's literally my dream car, dude. Oh my god, the name. You like it? I'll race you. Go, 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 go. No! Monica! The GTR is too fast. Oh my god, bro, it's so sick. And we got Manny, we got Stevie, Ryan, Tony. Where we at, bro? Indoor race cars. I brought my helmet. Hopefully they let me use it. Damn, SYCKWRAPS. We made it. Does anyone else have a GoPro on? I'm trying to see if they let me use the GoPro so I can vlog it for you guys. I think it'll be pretty sick footage. Damn! Oh my! It's scary. I swear you go so fast. Anyways, I brought my race helmet. Hopefully they let me use it. But I don't really want to use theirs, and I kind of want to use mine so I can put my GoPro on it. So we'll see. Guys, we got good news. They let me use this, and they're letting me use the GoPro, so today's vlog should be pretty sick. Something different. Guys, if you guys actually like this stuff, I'll actually come back and get more of this footage. I think it's gonna be pretty sick with the GoPro. You ready or what? Guys, who think's gonna win? Me? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna win, bro. Come on.
I don't think Ryan can reach the pedal.
Oh. Manny thinks he's gonna smoke me, bro.
I got the stompers on, bro.
Yeah. Oh, it doesn't say FindingNick. Oh, what? No, it doesn't. Oh, they already know, bro. Number one. Yeah. Let's get it. I'm number one. I have no idea. All right, guys. Hopefully we win. Bro, my phone's falling out for sure, bro. We better win. I hope I win. They gave us number one for a reason, you know?
Remember, if you want to get first place, it's the fastest lap, not the first one to the finish line.
I got it.
Stay away from each other, set yourselves out for the fastest lap. If you're gonna be driving slower, pull over so the faster one passes. You're only gonna hold up their time. Rise it down, silver switch up, let's go racing.
Let's go. Bro, these shits really drift too, watch. We're really about to be drifting out here. Oh shit, we're going. Woo! Bro, I think I won. I was hauling ass. I'm not even kidding. Bro, my phone almost fell out of my pocket like 3 times. I was driving with one hand for a little bit. I won, bro. Is that Manny? You caught up? You caught up. I don't know, Manny's quick too. See, he was in the very back and he caught up to me, so it's between me and Manny, I already know.
I believe you 5 are in this next race, so keep your helmets and all that shit on. You guys are gonna find the screen over there with your name. Select your name will be the number, okay?
Past everybody else.
Bro, we're gonna be with all those people.
Right, to the right, to the right. Yeah, perfect.
Did I win?
Stay right to the right. Yeah, you did. Got first place. Yeah.
Bro, I think I gapped everyone.
Bro,
I gapped all you guys. Bro,
You're out for dinner.
we hit each other so bad, bro. Bro, I want my number 1 car.
Bro, hit
That shit was fast. I really hurt myself. Look at this. It's bleeding. I don't know what hit me, but I'm bleeding. Round 2. We're gonna see who won after this right now, but I think I won the first one. Warm up the tires, you know? I need to pass everybody. It's not just us anymore. Now it's the random people, so these random people better get out the way. Hopefully I don't hit them, but I gotta go. Already? Oh shit! couldn't catch up, bro. I was sweating, bro. Dude, I really want to race next to Manny, like me and him, so we can actually go at it.
Tap the back of the car, just like that. Like that.
You were in the back.
Bro, I couldn't catch up. I was trying to pass everyone.
I slowed my
Bro, the girls were so slow, bro.
Bro, they slowed my shit down like 5 times because they kept cutting everybody. Man, you got it. I was right behind you the
No,
whole
you
time.
were
I
not,
was
bro.
behind you the whole time.
I-
You did the dirty ones, bro.
Who won?
I won. Nick, you were behind me.
Where? But I want to see the first one. Me, Ryan, Manny, Tony, and Nick. I knew I came in first, bro. Let me see.
Bro, by like point something.
What's the time? So Manny, wait.
Ryan beat me by milliseconds, bro. Look.
I won.
Second place.
Me and Ryan won first and second. You came in third?
It's rigged.
Oh, I know why I won, guys. I had the lighter helmet.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching